Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic National Knowledge Commission 2007 with reference to contribution to teacher education. Let us try to understand the National Knowledge Commission 2007. The National Knowledge Commission, NKC, was an advisory body in India that was established on 13th June 2005 by the then Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh. The primary objective of the National Knowledge Commission was to formulate policies, strategies, and mechanisms for the promotion of knowledge and innovation in various sectors of the country. The Commission aimed to enhance the knowledge base in India and make it a global knowledge hub. The National Knowledge Commission submitted several reports and recommendations to the government during its tenure. These reports covered a wide range of topics, including education reforms, innovation policies, and the use of technology in various sectors. The NKC played a crucial role in shaping the discourse on knowledge and innovation in India. Key objectives of the National Knowledge Commission: 1. Creation of a knowledge society. The NKC focused on transforming India into a knowledge society by promoting education, research, and innovation. It aimed to harness the potential of information and communication technologies for the benefit of the entire population. 2. Promotion of education. The Commission worked towards improving the quality of education at all levels: primary, secondary, and higher education. It emphasized the need for reforms in the education system to make it more relevant and responsive to the challenges of the 21st century. 3. Enhancement of research and development. The NKC advocated for increased investment in research and development (R&D) activities. It aimed to create an environment that fosters innovation and scientific research, leading to advancements in various fields. 4. Building a strong intellectual property rights (IPR) regime, recognizing the importance of intellectual property in fostering innovation. The NKC recommended the strengthening of the IPR regime in India. This was seen as crucial for protecting the rights of innovators and creators. 5. Improvement of governance through knowledge. The Commission highlighted the role of knowledge in improving governance. It suggested measures to enhance transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the functioning of government institutions. 6. Promotion of open source software. Recognizing the significance of open source software in fostering innovation and reducing dependence on proprietary technologies, the NKC advocated for the promotion and use of open source solutions. 7. Leveraging information and communication technologies, ICT. The NKC recognized the transformative potential of ICT and recommended measures to leverage technology for the benefit of society. This included the use of ICT in education, healthcare, and governance. 8. Addressing regional disparities. The Commission aimed to bridge the gap between different regions in terms of access to knowledge and opportunities. It proposed strategies to ensure that the benefits of knowledge and innovation are distributed more evenly across the country. Contribution to teacher education of National Knowledge Commission 2007. Let's explore the NKC's contributions to education, including teacher education. 1. Improvement of higher education. The NKC recognized the importance of higher education in shaping the overall quality of education. Its recommendations aimed at enhancing the standards of universities and institutions of higher learning, which indirectly impacted the quality of teacher education at the postgraduate level. 2. Encouragement of research and innovation in education. The Commission advocated for increased investment in research and innovation in education. This emphasis had the potential to influence teacher education by promoting evidence-based practices, curriculum development, and pedagogical innovations. 3. Use of information and communication technology (ICT) in education. The NKC stressed the importance of integrating information and communication technology into the education system. This recommendation had implications for teacher education, suggesting the need for incorporating ICT tools and methodologies in teacher training programs. 4. Reform of regulatory bodies. The NKC recommended reforms in regulatory bodies governing education to enhance their effectiveness. While not specific to teacher education, such reforms aimed at creating a more conducive regulatory environment for the continuous improvement of educational institutions, including those involved in teacher training. 5. Focus on skill development. The Commission highlighted the significance of skill development in education to meet the evolving needs of the workforce. This emphasis indirectly influenced teacher education, encouraging programs that equip educators with a diverse set of skills beyond traditional teaching methodologies. 6. Promotion of multidisciplinary education. The NKC advocated for a move towards multidisciplinary education to provide students with a broader and more holistic learning experience. This shift had implications for teacher education, promoting a more comprehensive and interdisciplinary approach in teacher training programs. 7. Addressing regional disparities in education. The Commission recognized regional disparities in educational access and quality. Recommendations aimed at addressing these disparities had implications for teacher education, emphasizing the need for equitable distribution of quality teacher training institutions across regions. 8. Enhancing access to education. The NKC focused on expanding access to education, especially at the higher education level. While not directly addressing teacher education, efforts to increase overall access to education could indirectly impact the availability of qualified individuals entering the teaching profession. It's important to note that the National Knowledge Commission was not solely dedicated to teacher education, and its recommendations covered a broad spectrum of educational issues. Nevertheless, its contributions to the overall education sector, including higher education and educational reforms, had indirect implications for the quality and effectiveness of teacher education programs in India. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.